Welcome to MX-MSP and MX-LINQ, working in tandem to bring robotics to the cloud for both integrators and end users. MX-MSP, designed for integrators, is our managed services-enabled cloud platform for robotics solutions. MX-MSP gives robotics integrators a powerful toolkit to securely and remotely configure, manage, and monitor solutions on behalf of your customers. MX-MSP also allows you to program, save, and store your own unique configuration and integration solutions, which you can reuse with other customers. Think of MX-MSP as your back-end central command and control center, not only for all of your robotics devices, but for all of your camera-connected IoT devices and solutions. It's your workshop, laboratory, and library, available anytime from anywhere. MX-LINQ, on the other hand, is the front end, a cloud-based video and device management system. It's what end users actually see and experience. It incorporates all of your MX-MSP programmed configurations and solutions and serves them up seamlessly and elegantly in MX-LINQ's feature-rich end-user tool. MX-LINQ gives end users the robotics experience they expect in today's anywhere, anytime, any device world. End users enjoy universal access, and with it, peace of mind. MX-LINQ equals protection, full visibility, situational awareness, and physical security alerts and control. Now that you know how and why MX-MSP and MX-LINQ work together, let's get you up and running on MX-MSP. First, go to MxMSP.com and log in. If you don't have an MX-MSP username and password, or you're having trouble logging in, please contact your distributor. See alerts, warnings, the number of offline devices, and your total number of devices on the main dashboard. By clicking on alerts, you can see and drill down into problems that need to be addressed. The Current Issues section also allows you to begin taking immediate action. You can also view your customers, locations, projects, cameras, IoT devices, and cloud objects. There's also an Alerts and Reporting tab, and a Platform Administration tab. To add a customer, go to the Customer view in the left-hand menu bar, then click the magic wand icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This is the Add Entity button. Here, you will fill out all of your customer's relevant information, including parent customer or sub-customer, customer privacy settings, default location, and location type. If you have any questions, please be sure to hover over the question mark for answers. By default, new customers will automatically be a sub-customer of your account. You can easily override this and choose to designate one of your existing customers to be the new customer's parent account. Be sure to click Create New Entity at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. MxMSP's multi-tenant architecture enables you to organize customers based on your needs. Each tenant's data is isolated and remains invisible to other tenants. The same applies to subtenants as well. To add a camera, you must first download MxMSP's provisioning tool located under the Administration menu tab on the left-hand side. Once you download the provisioning tool, be sure to log into it using your same MxMSP username and password. To provision a camera onto the MxMSP platform, simply enter the camera's IP address or an entire range of IP addresses, and moments later your cameras and/or devices will appear online in your MxMSP account. To see your newly added camera, simply go to Cameras under the Views menu on the left-hand side of the page. If you don't immediately see your camera or device registered in your MxMSP account, please wait a few minutes for the process to complete. Once you've added a customer and a camera, you can create your first project. Start by clicking Projects in the left-hand menu bar. Projects house important project data, notes, photos, files and schematics, layouts, as well as the locations and names of all the project's devices. To create a new project, simply click the plus sign icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen while in the project's view. You will then be prompted to enter a new project name, project description, and customer. You can then save your new project by scrolling and pressing the Add New Project button at the bottom of the screen. Congratulations! You've added a customer, you've provisioned and added a camera, and created your first project. Now let's take a look at how MX-MSP can help you remotely control your devices. Anytime you see a camera's nickname, no matter where you are within MX-MSP, you can simply click it to launch the camera's own individual dashboard. Here you can see the model, the camera's serial number, IP address, and current installed firmware, and even which sensors and lenses the camera is using. From this same screen, you can edit the device itself. Simply click the gearbox icon in the upper right-hand corner. You can turn MX Guard on to ensure the camera is recording. You can set the camera polling interval as desired. And you can customize your camera thresholds for parameters such as flash wear, buffer fill, CPU temperature, and uptime. These trigger the alerts and warnings we saw earlier. By clicking the cloud icon in the upper right-hand corner, you can test or buy cloud storage and advanced analytics, such as license plate recognition, with the click of a mouse. You can also offer your customers free trials of these features. You've probably noticed the wrench icon that always appears next to every camera's name. This is where you or your staff record time, materials, and cost spent on fixing a particular device's issues. This information automatically rolls up into any auto-generated customer report. Next, let's take a quick look at MX-MSP's reporting and billing features. One of the most important reports is the customer report, which demonstrates your ongoing consistent value as a managed services provider. The customer report includes key information such as summary of uptime, off time, alarms by thresholds, incidents per location and device, response time per location and device, averages of acknowledgement time by you, the partner, and response resolution times. You can also view the incidents section of the customer report graphically, which helps identify chronic issues with particular devices. The customer report can be generated ad hoc as needed, or set to be auto-generated at whatever interval you desire. To generate an ad hoc customer report, select Ad hoc, select a customer, choose a date range, and verify that the pre-populated email address of the recipient is where your customer would like the report to be emailed to. Thank you for watching. Let us help you get started adding more value to the Mobotics products you sell, increase your customer satisfaction and loyalty, and add monthly recurring revenues for your business.